Hey, that is it. You have done so much, and I'm so proud of you. Think about where you were when you first started this journey. Never opened up Domo, probably never heard of an ETL, never heard of SQL, cards, connectors, all this stuff. And if you have been practicing, following along, now you have improved. There's always still more to do, but you are on the path and you are able to keep going. I would highly suggest you do a little bit every day. And my thing is, I live in Chicago. I grew up here in the city, and it is super cold. And people in Chicago know this, anywhere that's super cold. You don't get warm by wearing one big jacket. You get warm by wearing a lot of tiny little layers. Like when you ski, you wear a lot of little layers to help you stay warm. So by doing a lot of little practice, you'll be much better than doing one massive practice session and never touching Domo again. Doing a lot of little things will help you out. So with that, I'd say get into it. And what you're going to see that I see happen all the time is you are going to start impacting the data driven culture at your organization. People are going to get super excited about what you're able to show them, what you're able to build for them. And they're going to want more and more and more. And you want to keep fostering, you want to feed that fire, because the more that happens, the better it is to make better decisions, data driven decisions that are highly impactful and that are going to have a long lasting impact. So that's going to be super, super amazing. Very proud of you for making it this far and for continuing to practice. I hope to see you. And hey, another way that you can keep going is this: the community forums. It's community-forums.domo.com. Now, what's really cool about this is, look, you can do ideas exchange. This is where if you find something that you think would be a good feature, you can go here, you can add it. You can ask questions about charting, connectors, ETLs, all these things. What's so amazing is that the average time to get an answer from posting a question is 30 minutes. That's it. It is phenomenal. And why is it phenomenal? Because you got people like me who are involved. So let me show you something. If you go down here, this month's leaders, that's me. I'm right there. So what we're doing is you have all these people, everybody is so amazing. And we are all trying to help answer your questions. Not just us. We happen to be the top ones, but there are a lot of other, we call them Domo innovators, who are just always trying to answer. So maybe I'll answer for you. Maybe there'll be other people. I would love if you will go on there and say hi to me through the Domo community forum, but get on the Domo community forum, and it's a great way to help you out. Fantastic. There's also this job board here, so you could see what other job openings are there for people that need Domo help. Fantastic stuff. That's a great way to get involved. Also, Domo has these things called the Connections Tours. And the Connections Tours are basically traveling showcases of new Domo features that are in places like Salt Lake City, New York, Toronto, Chicago, LA, all these places. Try to go to one of those. It's fantastic to really become part of the community. The big one is Domo has something called Domo Palooza. This is the big, big, big ones where Domo will showcase really big features. They have breakout sessions where clients will talk about their success with Domo, or you'll have people like myself who will be presenting on best practices of how to do things with Domo. So if you are there and you see me, I would love to say hi to you. I would love to talk with you. Anyway, those are some fantastic ways to keep improving, to get involved, and to evolve your Domo usage.